Jack up the car and then have a backup jack or some wheels underneath the car as a backup. And let's get underneath the car. Move the under tray. Take off this under tray, which is only a few 8mm nuts. And check the fluid, make sure there's still brake fluid in here. Get a bottle, put a slit through it, put a hose, and this catches it, and get 8mm. So this is the bleeder valve next to the transmission. Put your hose on first, and someone steps on the clutch pedal, and then you open up this valve. Have someone step on the clutch, open the valve, close the valve, release. Pump it 3 times and hold it. 2, 3. Holding it?
Yep. No, that's going to fall.
Okay, one more time.
Okay.
Pump it.
It's loose. Here. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, this time just press it once when I say down, okay?
Alright.
1, 2, 3, down. Okay, that's it, come up. That's how you bleed the clutch, then you put this back on. And check the fluid, make sure there's still brake fluid in here. And then you close it up.